Biz Nerds, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, Maxana. Today's video, I have a Bibbidi Bobbidi box unboxing for you guys, but before I get into my box, if you are new and you haven't yet, click on that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you get notified when I post new videos. Anyways, let's get started. Alright, so this is my Bibbidi Bobbidi box for the month of June. It came a little bit late, but that's totally fine. So what is in this box is I have, because my May box came late and they were having shipping issues for May, I opted for the free sparkle box. So I've got this box plus the sparkle box, which is limited edition. It did come in saran wrap, but I did cut that off so that I can make it easier. Anyways, let's see what's in here. All right, so I've got the box open and this is what's on the inside. Oh, paper is falling out already. All right, and this is the card that I got. It says, "There's no such thing as talent, only inspiration and ambition, Scrooge McDuck." And it's the original Scrooge McDuck where he's jumping into his big pile of money. And then this is what the back, and then on the back it says, "Share a photo or video on Instagram and tag them." And then Josh is the person that curated my box. So thank you, Josh from Bibbidi Bobbidi, for creating my box. And here is the spoiler sheet. I'm gonna move that there. All right, and then you've got their purple tissue paper and their classic sticker. Okay. Okay, I already see something that I like and it's peeking out. Oh my word. Okay, so I'm gonna set that there. I love what's in here. I'm going to take it out of the packaging and I'll be back. Okay, so here is the first item that was in my box. Oh my word, I absolutely love Toy Story, and this was on my wish list, that Bibbidi has. So if you are not familiar with Bibbidi Bobbidi box, or you don't have one, they have a wish list, and on the wish list they have many different items, Loungefly items, some Alex and Ani. I selected this. I love it. So it's the little green alien from Toy Story, and then it's the back, and it's a wallet, and then the middle eye flips open. Okay, and then oh my word, it is this bright green, and then you've got, let me take that out. So you've got an ID holder, and then a few credit card slots here, and then a few other slots. Let me take this out. Oh, this, so it's got the pizza, yes, things are flying out. It's got the Pizza Planet logo on the lining, so you could put cash in this side, and then you can put like receipts on this side. That is super cool. I also requested for the matching backpack, so hopefully next time I can get the matching backpack. Off to a really good start. I really love this. Let's see what the other items are. Let's see. Oh, guys, okay. Oh my word. Lollipop ears. Oh my word, I've been wanting these ears for a very, very long time. Ever since they first came out and they now still lollipop ears. I now have the lollipop ears. Oh my word. Okay, I'll be right back. I'm gonna clip off the tags. All right, so here are the lollipop ears. Ooh, there's food cells all over the place. So they're not your typical ears. They're not like the plushy fabric kind. They feel like some sort of plastic or because they're hollow. So, and here's the bow. So it's like a candy center. And then here's the headband and then the inside. Okay, I'm gonna swap out the ones that I made. Oh my word. These are so cute. So I did check the box and it looks like the wallet and ears were the only two items that were in there, which is totally fine. I have the fantasy box, which is $59.99 plus like shipping and all that stuff. Anyways, let's look at the spoiler sheet. Okay, so the Loungefly Toy Story Alien Eye Zip around wallet was $40. And then the Disney Parks exclusive lollipop ears headband was $29.99. For anyone who, you know, wears ears or collects ears, the park ears used to be $27 and then they upped the prices a few months back or something. Yes, so that is basically what was in my box, and then the total retail was $69.99, and like I said, the box itself is $59.99. So that is my Bibbidi Bobbidi box. If you have a Bibbidi Bobbidi box, comment down below what things that you have gotten. I'm very curious, or you could share your Bibbidi Bobbidi box unboxing video in the comments down below. Anyways, I am super excited to receive this month's box. Hopefully I get it a little bit sooner so that it's not being uploaded next month. Anyways, I will see you lovely Disney nerds in my next video. Bye guys.